In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a stunning photo slide in PowerPoint. Whether you are presenting a portfolio or just want to create a visual effect, this technique is perfect for making your presentation stand out. So let's start the video. Go to the Insert tab and click on Picture. Select and insert it. Drag the corners until they completely cover the slide. Duplicate the image 3 times. Then select all and align center and align middle. Go to the Insert tab, click on Shape and select Oval. Drag it on slide. Increase size by duplicating. Reduce size by duplicating again. Select Shape with Image and select Intersect from Merge Shape. Now do the same process with the rest. Click right, go to Shadow, select this from Preset and increase blur size. Select this, go to Format, click on Color, select Color. Add text above the photo slide. Select Line, drag it. Select Color from Shape Outline and increase width size. Select this, bring to the front of the text. And that's how you learn how to create a complete photo slide in PowerPoint. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.